namin is may batas tayo. So, another PDDS Cartilla principle is batas and katarungan. So, kung may batas, syempre may justice. But where's the justice in our system? Nababayaran lahat ng tao. And that's because of corruption. Ang gagawin natin, titiisin na lang ng mga tao araw-araw. Ang tagal-tagal na namin tinitiis.
Kasi sinasabi nila politics, masalimuot daw yan, kakainin din ng sistema once you're in there. Anong nakikita niyo po doon?
Well, I really prayed. Sabi ko, Lord, kung magiging corrupt rin lang ako, wag mo na akong gawing mayor. When there are proposals, contracts na ikabubuti ng public, we make it transparent, first of all. So, for example, merong budget. We have to make that visible. In Pasay City Hall, we put there, like, 7 billion annual income. Barangay ganito, may budget ka. Barangay ganon, may budget ka. 1 up to 201 barangays. Nakalagay yung budget. Budget for health, budget for education, visible lahat. So that we don't get corrupted. Because the people know. So they will hold us accountable. Right now, hindi namin alam yung budget. Tinutupi daw yung papel. Pipirma daw sila as if 6,000 nakuha nila. Pero, pag binuklat mo, 1,500 lang. Ala. Yung binigay sa tao, 1,500. Pero, ang pinapasa nilang report, 6,000 yung naibigay nila sa tao. And these come from the people. For us, it's very, very frustrating. And you hear the cries of the people and yet they feel so helpless. Kasi walang tumatayo for them. So I think it's time. It's time that someone stands against the giants, against the Goliath, and they taunt us. Sino ba yan? Ang liliit yan. Wala yan pera. Unang tanong ko nila sa akin, may 300 million ka, attorney, para lumaban? Sabi ko, 300 million prayers and angels. So, tama na yung pera-pera lang. Kailangan ng mga tao ng long-term plan, long-term enforcement, and para sa ikabubuti nila, hindi para sa ikabubuti ng mga taong nakopo.